How to change Q sensitivity in 8-ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change Q sensitivity on 8-ball pool. Changing Q sensitivity in 8-ball pool is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the 8-ball pool app. Launch the 8-ball pool app on your mobile device. Access the setting menu. On the main screen, look for the gear icon in the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to open the setting menu. Select the control setting. In the setting menu, look for an option related to controller Q setting. This may be labeled differently depending on updates, but it typically includes option for adjusting Q sensitivity. Adjust Q sensitivity. You should see a slider or a numerical value for Q sensitivity. Move the slider left or right to decrease or increase the sensitivity. Higher sensitivity will make the Q more response to your movements, while lower sensitivity will require more precise input. Save your settings. Some version of game may require you to save your changes. Ensure you do this if prompt. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change Q sensitivity in 8-ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.